discovered something by accident. I know some of y'all don't use NABC, some of y'all may not even like NABC. But I use NABC and have been using it for 21 years now. But when I was hosing down bathrooms one day and I sprayed my sinks and everything down and I poured this over the top of my chrome on my urinals and commodes, it really made it shine. I thought, man, this stuff cleans chrome like crazy. Well, I wonder what it would do on stainless steel. This is a problem that you have in your bathrooms, is the streaks that get on your garbage cans. Water streaks and stuff like that if you have stainless steel garbage cans that's on the wall. Well, what I have learned to do is I spray it down with NABC. Careful not to spray it on the wall. I'm gonna let that work and soak while I clean our bathrooms. I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. So I just let that work while I'm cleaning the bathrooms. Just let it run down to the floor. Don't have to worry about it. It cleans itself. And it's disinfected. Just spray some NABC and leave. Something new that I'm trying is quick clip tips by Mr. Jeff. Just little quick things that I can video and pop on here real quick, because just sometimes those little tricks and tips that we can learn in our trade that we can share can really help us out. So if you want to see more if you want to see more tips with clips by Mr. Jeff, please like and subscribe. I can't say it. Click, tip, Mr. Jeff's. Oh my word, just like it.